Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be upgrading the front sway bar on my MK6 GTI, so stay tuned. I jacked up the car and now I'm going to start by removing the end links. I'm going to remove the bracket on the dog bone mount, and then I will remove the two bolts on the exhaust hanger bracket. Now I'm going to remove the bolts that secures the sway bar brackets. Here's the location of the bolts that I'm going to loosen in order to lower the subframe. I will also loosen the opposite bolts on the opposite side. Even after I completely lowered the subframe, I still wasn't able to get out the stock sway bar, and that's because the brackets were still on the bar. It's pretty much impossible to get off the brackets first, before removing the sway bar. In order for me to get enough clearance to remove the sway bar, I'm going to remove the subframe bracket. You will need to remove these two remaining bolts on the control arm bracket. And now I'm going to have to remove the dog bone mount to get some more clearance. At this point the sway bar was free to come out, but it needed more ground clearance, so I had to jack the car up some more. Now that the sway bar is out, I am going to remove the two brackets. If you use a drill bit that's too small, you run the risk of messing up the threads in the nut. So make sure that you're using the proper size drill bit. All the tools and parts that I've used, I will have them listed in the description below, so feel free to check it out. And that's going to be it for part 1. I will have part 2 linked in the description below. And if you got value from this video, be sure to hit that like button. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.